How's that taste, my love? My baby is now eating what? Cerelac. This is his first solid food. What's the flavor? Banana. Okay, baby, you say, daddy's watching, daddy's watching. Ay, naku, daddy, hindi ko gusto. You swallow it, baby. You swallow it, don't spit it out. Ay, baby, aman eh. One more, one more, one more. One more, one more. Ayaw niya, Dadu. Ayaw niya. Masasanay din to. You need to get used to it. Ikaw talaga, ha? Hindi pwedeng puro milk. Okay, isa pa. Ano? Okay. Alam, madi-disappoint ang daddy pag nakita itong video na to kasi ba't ganyan itsura mo? Para kang hindi pinapakain. Baby, masarap naman na. Nitikman ng mami. Masarap naman na. Last na. Dapat ipakita mo kay daddy na yummy. Dali para matutuwa si daddy. Sabi ni daddy, ang galing naman ng big boy ko. Ang galing. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dali. Ayan. Dali na. Ay, naman talaga. At least, diba? Daddy, kumakain na po ako ng solid food. O siya, daddy, babay na muna. Love you, daddy. Love you. Gah! Tawa mo na sa daddy. Gah! Bye-bye, daddy. Bye-bye, daddy. Bye-bye.